Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on auction. One of the most manipulated cryptos in the last couple of weeks has now finally crashed. So I wanted to do some sort of an emergency update on this. I mean, I hope most of you are not affected too much about this. I mean, it was pretty. It was to be expected that at some point of time this would crash. I mean, I posted about this on X yesterday as well. And things like that go very, very sudden. But auction in general, or the bounce token, which is the platform behind it, has been massively manipulated. You can see the volume right now is up to $1.6 billion, which is absolutely ridiculous, super high. But we've crashed, and this was it. All right, we're most likely not going to rally higher than this. This might be the top this might be the all-time high for a very, very long time. However, we have hit a strong support level right here at $20, 22.5, and usually what happens with coins with a pattern like this, because I've seen this before. Excuse me, but usually you do see some sort of a short squeeze. So that's going to be interesting, and that's also what I wanted to talk about here. Which you can see, I mean, the main level that we found support at so far is this level at $22.5, $20. If you zoom all the way out, that has been the most important key level, both as support and resistance for auction. So that is also the main level where I would say we actually have a good chance to still have some sort of a rally. The next support level would be the support level right here around $15 or just below $15. I think it's unlikely that we're going to drop down all the way there. I mean, eventually long term, I do expect it. Short term, I think the support level we have right here, around $20, especially because right now on the 4-hour time frame, we're not seeing much strength yet. I think that's the main level. But the big question right now is that, well, all right, first of all, can we actually see that spike? Can we actually see that short squeeze from this level? And then second of all, how high can it get? So I think that's most important to talk about. Like I said, I mean, we're not going to get back to those prices. I've seen manipulations like these very, very often, and I've potentially once seen the price get back up there, but only to drop back down afterwards. And you can see with bounce now as well. If you take a look at the volume, for example, there's a lot of volume coming from Bybit, a lot of volume coming from 4E. Those are standard indications of manipulation, but it doesn't matter. All right, the big question now is, well, is this level actually strong enough to provide some sort of a short squeeze? You can see on the 1-hour time frame that for the last couple of hours, we have defended this level relatively well, with also quite a lot of volume coming in. I'm not sure. The funding rate for auction is also still slightly negative. On OKX, it's actually positive, which shows you again that it's manipulated. Quite interesting, by the way. So the funding rate is slightly negative. So I'd say that there's somewhat of overshorting going on. So therefore, combined with the technical, the bottom defending we're seeing so far, combined with the technical strength of the support level, I'd say short term it still most likely will pull back a little bit lower. But that's somewhere from this level, around $20, I do think we'll be able to find support and get a move up. Now, normally what happens is that we rally into the next major key level. The next major key level would be between $30 and $33. So I'd say that's the level where we can rally into. And then eventually, or at least after that short squeeze, the long positions that will be opened right here will be closed, and then we will drop back down lower. And that's also when we can drop down into that level at $15. All right. So long term, I'm not bullish on auction. I do think a temporary bottom at least is coming up, and I also do expect a short squeeze from there. But if you're interested in that, I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, I think that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.